In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a chart in TradingView, an essential skill for any trader who wants to analyze market trends from a new perspective. Whether you're seasoned in technical analysis or just dipping your toes in, flipping a chart can provide fresh insights and deepen your understanding of market movements. So let's dive in and walk through this simple but powerful feature. First, you'll need to start by heading over to the TradingView platform. Once you're there, direct it to the dashboard, which is the hub of all your trading activities. If you're new to TradingView, the dashboard is essentially your command center. It houses all of your charts, alerts, and any other resources you may need for effective trading. This is where you can monitor all your financial instruments and perform a variety of analyses. Now, with the dashboard in front of you, it's time to find your chart settings. This can typically be found beneath the chart area you're working with. The chart settings menu is crucial because it allows you to customize the visual representation of the data you're working with, ensuring it meets your specific analytical or aesthetic needs. Clicking on this will open up a menu of various customizable options for your chart. The next step is to enable the invert scale option. Look for this setting within the chart menu you just opened. You might find it labeled as invert scale or flip chart depending on the interface version you're using. By activating this feature, the price axis of the chart inverses. This means that instead of ascending from the bottom, prices will appear inversed, rising from the top. It's like looking at a mirror reflection of the chart, which can be remarkably helpful for examining bearish patterns in a bullish-looking chart, and vice versa. While this might seem a bit disorienting at first, flipping the chart is often used by traders to test if the market bias is clouding their judgment. It encourages you to detach from preconceived notions of whether the market should go up or down, and focus purely on the patterns themselves. Flipping your chart could help identify opportunities that were not apparent before. That's it. You've successfully flipped your chart in TradingView. Take some time to explore this new view, analyze the data from different angles, and use this perspective to enrich your market strategies. Remember, changing your perspective, even visually, can often lead to new insights and better trading decisions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now equipped to use this feature to its fullest potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Until next time, happy trading.